Hi, my name is James Saper. I've been teaching and practicing Qigong for about 20 years, and I'd like to tell you about my course, Qigong and Creativity. This is a two-part workshop where we explore the overlap between Qigong practice and the creative process, whether this is for painting or making music or writing or embroidery, woodworking, cooking. Really, it's for anyone who's interested in living a creative life. We cover some Qigong. You don't need to know anything about Qigong beforehand. I introduce Qigong ideas and some of the theories. There's also two short routines that we'll cover. They're both very simple and straightforward, easy to practice. We also look at some of the ideas behind this practice and, of course, some ideas around the creative process. My hope is that with this course, you'll end up with the tools that will make it easier for you to stay inspired and easier for you to develop your creative ideas. So I invite you to join me with this course. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your interest, and take care.